So today's video will be on how to style toss muga mekhela sador in 5 different ways. So before starting the video, I will like to briefly tell you what it actually is. So it is made from the silkworm. It is known for its durability and shine. The most amazing thing about it is that the luster and the quality of it will increase even more after you wash it, and they are hand woven. My mother has owned her Mugar Sador Mekhela for like 10 to 14 years, and she told me that it has never lost its shine and even the quality has not deteriorated, and that is the specialty of this Sador Mekhela. And the price of this would start from like 3,000 and it goes around 10,000 I think, and or even more in today's date. So my mother, when she bought her first Mugar Sador Mekhela, it was for like I think 2 to 3,000. But if you purchase the same Mugar Sador Mekhela today, it will cost you maybe more than 5,000. I don't know. So this is how it looks like. It is a new design. It was gifted by my aunt. The thread work in different Mugar Sador Mekhela comes in different variant. So in some Mugar Sador Mekhela, it comes in one color thread work like red color, or in some cases it also comes in 3 different colors like red, yellow, green. So it really varies. So depending upon the thread work, the quality or the design, the price varies. So now let us move to the video. So first of all, you can wear it as a whole set. The variant of Muga silk which I'm using here is a toss Muga. It is vertically woven with Muga silk and horizontally woven with golden thread. So first I will pin it up, and then I will take it around to drape it. I will take the corner and fold it into a triangle just the way I'm showing in the video. So I will do the same thing for twice. It gives a very beautiful pattern. So this is the final look and the first look how you can wear a Mugar Sador Mekhela. Next, you can wear it with a simple and plain red color sador. The one I'm using is made up of net, but you can use any red color sador in plain. It looks better with the plain sador, but if it has any kind of pattern, it should match with the mekhela and the blouse. Next, you can wear it with the plain white color sador. My one have golden thread work throughout the body, so you can use a plain one, or even if you have something in white which have golden thread works or any kind of golden pattern, that would really match with the blouse and the mekhela. Next, I'm pairing it up with Kesa Pator Sador, which have red color border and a flower pattern with green and blue thread work. And I'm really sorry for the mess behind. Kesa Pator Sador or Mekhela really looks elegant and classy with Assamese jewelry. You can also pair up the Mugar Sador and the Mekhela with a golden blouse. I'm using a plain golden blouse.
Or if you have a mekhela which matches the blouse, you can also wear that.
So this was the video guys. I hope you like it. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for those who are new to my channel, and hit that bell icon to get notified, and see you in my next video.
Comment down below if you want to see a video on Bua Kapoor as well.